thought leader and author. We may have come to the end of this faculty development program, but every ending paves the way to a new beginning. This ending will definitely open up opportunities to each one of us to put the skills learned during this program into practice and to reach out to our students in a much better way. As we begin this valedictory program, let us ask God to bless each one of us and inspire us to be faithful to our occasion. Kindly close your eyes and bow your heads. Let us. Dear God, thank you for being with us throughout this online workshop. Your presence has been felt by each one of us from the start to the end, and we want to say thank you. As we finish our faculty development program today, guide us and support us to put all that we have learned and discussed into practice. Help us to make a difference to the life of our students and the world around us. We seek your blessings on each one of us, especially on our resource person, Mr. Nasir Ali. Bless him, God, with more knowledge and strength so that he would reach out to many more people like us. Listen to our prayer, God. Thank you. I shall just brief you about how we're going to go about today during this valedictory program, the order of the program. After I finish, Mr. Nasir Ali, our resource person, will facilitate the participants to give their responses about this online FDP. Even though we wish to listen to each one of you, but because of the time constraint, it's practically not feasible. Hence, only 5 participants at random will be given an opportunity to speak. Kindly cooperate and keep your responses very brief, to a minute maximum, or a minute and a half. Mr. Sudarshan, after you give your responses, Mr. Sudarshan, one of our faculty members of the chemistry department, who was a part of this program, he will present a report on the online FDP program. After which, vote of thanks will be rendered by our principal, Reverend Father Melvin Lobo, SJ. After Father finishes the vote of thanks, there will be an achievement test and distribution of e-certificates, which will again be facilitated by our resource person, Mr. Nasir Ali. I hope I'm clear. Over to you, sir, for the next part of the program.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I wish to have participants to give their feedbacks. You can raise your hand and please be very specific. Okay. Deba.
Good morning, sir, ma'am, father, and all the participants. Though you touched upon the topics that were roughly known to us, we were able to know more about them and how to use them in the classroom. So that is something that was very helpful in this program. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Anita.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is Anita Valentina, staff of St. Joseph Boys High School, Bangalore. As we reach the end of the e-learning session today, I would like to acknowledge and thank staff of SGPU and Nasir Ali sir for all the effort that they have taken in putting in this workshop. After this session, I feel empowered to use the platform for teaching. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Father Melvin Lobo, SJ and team for organizing this wonderful workshop. Thank you one and all.
Thank you. Dr. Kishore.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you very much for providing a golden opportunity to learn this important for us. I am Dr. Kishore Ingole from Maharashtra, sir. Actually, we read the literature, American literature, British literature, other literature, but it is a techno literature and it is very need to learn this techno literature. So thank you very much, sir. Definitely after COVID-19, each and every will learn these types of skills. Thank you.
Punita.
First of all, I would like to thank our mentor Nasir sir and the entire team for giving us such a good opportunity. It was as noble as the profession of teaching itself, and every time the patience which you showed, sir, was really very great. We were asking you silly questions and still you were answering with and clearing our doubts. We are thankful, and we hope we would prove to be good students and practice all that you have taught into our teaching and make our teaching beneficial to our students. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Swapna.
From Andhra Pradesh, Maristella College. Can you hear, sir?
Yes, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, please.
The session is very good and informative. I learned many things, how to manage Google Documents and Forms. I started using Google Forms, and sir's explanation is very excellent. Without knowing, I joined in FDP, but after completion of this FDP, I empowered a lot in using Google Documents and Classrooms. Thank you very much, Nazir sir. Thank you so much.
Bhavani.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Sir, I'm Bhavani from St. Anne's Women's College, Hyderabad. First of all, I want to thank Nasir sir for giving such a beautiful presentation regarding all these online platforms. So I didn't have any knowledge about this Google Docs or Google Forms, how we can use it for the purpose of students. Now, when I have learned all this, I will definitely implement in conducting my classes in the college. And thank you, St. Joseph's Pre-University College, for conducting such a nice activity.
Thank you, ma'am. Kiran.
Thank you so much for keeping us engaged in learning. Even though those topics were very close to us, but we never explored it. But since through FDP we could learn something, we could implement something, and we are almost implementing. And once again, thank you for your passion and for your willingness to share that passion with us. And I also thank St. Joseph's PU College and principal. Thank you, sir.
Somashekar. Jayashree Naidu.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much for this technical sessions. Though I know the use of Google Forms, Google Classroom is the excellent one. I felt very much that if I had known that previously, it could have been introduced very much in the classroom. It is very much student oriented, and thank you for all the details that you have patiently given to us, sir. And also thanks to the back work people who might have done from your institution. And I am working as assistant professor from the Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nasir sir, can I speak?
Yes, please.
Sir, this is Somashekar from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. My colleague just now spoken about you. First of all, I would like to thank to SJPUC College for making this seminar a grand success. I would like to thank to Renuka Madam for having such an innovation idea in doing online classes live. I have learned so many things from you, Nasir sir. I don't know about this, whatever the google.com that we have told in previously, but now I am very much perfect in doing so. And also, it can be seen that so many participants are there in all the two batches. And you have done the justice for all the two batches in particular. I expect it. And moreover, your way of speaking the classes online is excellent, sir. I like you very much.
Thank you.
I learned a lot from you how to teach online classes also. And I have seen a very good knowledge from your side, and I gained it too. Thank you very much for your good support, sir. I would like to meet you at once, and I have to call you at once if time available for me, so that some more doubts can be cleared, not only by live session also, but personally. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you to SJPUC.
Thank you, sir. Aishwarya?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
No limit to what is and what I have learned to explore after this FTP. So you just, it was an eye-opener, I should say. It was enlightening in many ways. As people said already, there is nothing new to add. You are so sweet and so patient enough to clarify our silly doubts. And the assignments were the real challenge, where we tried to find out whether we really understood what you said. And you were so patient, and I think I have to learn that from you. And you're such a good online teacher and a great inspiration for all of us. I thank all the people who have made this possible, the FTP possible, and thanks for giving the opportunity for us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Sunila, ma'am?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Hats off to St. Joseph's College for organizing such a wonderful workshop over here. And we learned so many things from Nasir Ali sir. Though we are all teachers or we are all professionals, we learned so many things. How to tackle a large group of audience with your patience, your knowledge, competence, and all those things. And we could realize our strengths, our weakness, our opportunities and threats through this workshop. So your workshop has empowered us and we have gained confidence to handle our classes and to learn more. We have developed the urge to learn more. And thanks to all the participants for the queries that they have raised, which made us learn many more things. Thank you once again. Thank you, sir, so much. Okay.
Thank you very much. Harshad?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
I take this opportunity to thank two I's. The first I is the institution, St. Joseph's PUC Bengaluru, for organizing such a fantastic and valuable event. And the second I is, of course, our resource person, the great Nazir Ali MK sir. In one line, if I want to describe Nazir Ali sir, I would compare him as an athletic coach. But he's such a fantastic athletic coach that he can make the lame person run and win the race. It was with me, my case was worse than the lame person. Sir, you have taught me and taken me through this world of technology, and you have benefited me in 3 ways. Number one, you are successful in removing my phobia about the technology use. Second thing, you have explained all the topics in such a lucid manner. And the third, your assignment has given me the practical hands-on training touch. Today, I can do so many things, and I really thank you, sir, for being with us and helping. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Rasila.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I feel and I'm glad that genuinely one of the best workshops I have attended. It's very apt during this time of lockdown. I have practically learned many applications. This FTP has created an interest in e-learning. I remain grateful to 3 people, my college principal, FTP organizers, and I remain grateful to Nasir Ali sir. You are truly an expert. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Kala SJ.
Good morning, sir. It has been a pleasure learning all the technical aspects that you've been teaching all these 5 days. And one thing that has been so amazing is your patience, sir. I have learned that quality from you. Though I put in so many years of service, I think I've learned that quality of patience from you. You've been too patient with us, answering us all our queries at every point of time, whenever we asked, whenever a participant chipped in. So it was too nice on your part. And whatever you clarified also, you did it with utmost sincerity. And one thing that I could, even last evening, I was thinking of you, saying that how generous you were in sharing all the knowledge that you had with us. You wanted us to learn each and everything, didn't want us to miss out on anything. And you were very particular in giving us giving tips on each and every minute details also. So hats off to you, sir, and looking forward to meet you somewhere else at some other time, probably in our own institution too. We're too glad. I'm too glad to be a part of this FTP, because as somebody else, my colleague, pointed out earlier, it was not a very good one. The other ones that we, but this one was one thing that we were almost glued to the laptops or mobile phones since the start of the session. So thank you so much, Sir Nasir Ali, sir. We are grateful to you. And at this moment, I would also like to thank the organizers. I know the organizers have been too smart enough to tap the opportunities and give us the best. And thank you so much, Father Melvin Lobo, the principal. And thank you, Dr. Renuka, also for organizing and hosting and being a moderator of this wonderful session. And one more thing that I would like to highlight is this technical session was a hassle-free one, sir. We didn't face any technical snag at any point of time, like you were with all your magical wands at every time doing or sorting out any technical snags that came up. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Shaista.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So here I begin. Like, I'm the one who has been wishing the beautiful morning to you because of the smile that you portray to all your students. So I wish that you continue teaching in the same way. I could never even think that this online class could be rolled out so smoothly. And you invested so much of time, patience, and energy. So I'm the one who's so impatient. So I have so much to learn and pick up from you, sir. And the topics that had been chosen, of course, we had a bit of knowledge about everything, but the way you rolled out and tried to intricately define the nuances of all the applications, they're going to really help us all. And what could be more useful for us in this lockdown period? So this technical assistance from you would really open up new vistas for us teachers to try to engage our students in a creative and more interesting manner. And of course, I do desire to meet you once. Thank you so much for everything, and I thank the organizers as well. And the best part about it was that you kept on giving us assignments so that we could be constantly engaged. So I'm sorry I could not do it yesterday because of certain problems in the family, but I have been doing all my assignments in regular intervals of time. So thank you so once again, and keep smiling.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Anju Tiwari.
Hello and namaskar, sir.
Hello.
Myself Anju Tiwari, and lately I am attending your seminar. Actually, your seminar needs no suggestions, and your sessions are really very informative, useful, and enjoyable for each and every participant. And I'm really very happy, and I have no regrets in joining your FDP seminar. So, from this, I conclude that you are a very, very, very good online teacher, and I wish to have such workshops by you every year. And I'm really very thankful to you because you are the one who had snatched my all the fears from this technology. So really very thankful to you, sir.
Thank you. Priya.
Sir, really it was a wonderful week we had, and first of all I thank all the organizers for arranging this wonderful online teaching for all the teaching fraternity, because we always felt that we were a little bit behind in our knowledge with the students in handling these electronic devices. But this 1 week session, it made us to feel very, very confident in handling this Google Docs as well as the slides, all this even in Google Classroom. And you have made us a part and parcel of this electronic era, and the patience that you cleared all our doubts, and it was really a fruitful week for all this all people like us. And thank you, sir, and thank you for the organizers. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you all for giving us your good words and prayers and even the genuine feedbacks. And now we'll move to the presentation of the report. Mr. Sudarshan PV, the faculty of St. Joseph University College, will be reading the report.
Good morning to all. Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
I'm PV Sudarshan, faculty of St. Joseph Pre-University College, Bangalore. Deem it as my pride and privilege to proffer salutation on behalf of the organizing committee and all the participants of FDP. A week-long carnival of learning, tailor-made schedule of topics, 626 participants all over India, 344 in the morning batch, 282 in the afternoon batch, maximum from Karnataka, followed by Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. First of its kind, virtual classroom to the teaching community, spearheaded by Nasir Ali, anchored by SJPUC, has scripted volumes of success stories. FDP was flagged by the grace and blessings of our principal, Reverend Father Melvin Lobo SJ, and prayer rendered by Mrs. Renuka Zachariah, Vice Principal of SJPUC and Coordinator of FDP. COVID-19 has enveloped entire race into its fold. If Government of India, Prasar Bharati, has chosen to retelecast Ramayana and Mahabharata to the entire nation, SJPUC chose Faculty Development Program to the teaching fraternity. We are glad to have equipped with vital tools to challenge the days ahead. Nasir Ali sir, we in chorus vociferate, thank you a million times. After your sessions, Google is no longer a noun, it has become a verb. In the first session, you enticed us with voice drafting. In the last session, you enthralled us with video recording. In between, we journey through Google Docs, Sheets, Forms, Blog, Classroom, editing, posting, Edmodo, Moodle, video, and audio recording. Each session pulsating in its own charisma. Nasir Ali sir, your simplicity in language, style of delivery, subject knowledge, assignments and follow-up, above all, patience to address and respond to all queries at times, repeatedly the same, is really appreciative and noteworthy. You have made us rich in computer knowledge. You are our opulence, and we will ever remain grateful to you. Once again, on behalf of SJPUC and all participants, thank you. Over to Father Principal.
Yes, Father.
I suppose everybody is able to view the screen.
Yes.
Dear Mr. Nasir Ali and all the participants, good morning. We have come to the end of the faculty development program on empowering teachers for smart teaching. Thanks to those who shared their experiences. It is something that came from their heart. We are really enriched by your sharing. Thank you, Mr. Sudarshan, for that brief report and well presented. There's a saying, willingness to learn is the mark of a youthful mind. I am under the impression that you have become more younger and smarter than before. Now you are empowered to be effective communicators. I really appreciate your curiosity for enhancing your teaching skills, your thirst for upgradation and interest in forming yourself as better teachers or smarter teachers. Majority of you have actively participated and benefited much from this online workshop. Definitely it was a fruitful one, and we should have the satisfaction of spending our time constructively, especially during this time of lockdown. Though SJPUC took the initiative of organizing it, the entire credit should go to Mr. Nasir Ali, our resource person. He managed the entire show. He is a very passionate teacher. He knew the subject well. He has a simple way of communicating and responding to our queries. He's an inspiring teacher. We also appreciate his mastery over the subject and his patience in handling 300 plus students in a single classroom. I suppose his methodology has inspired many of us to handle classes on online platform for our students in the days to come in the context of COVID-19 lockdown. You must have heard a famous saying, practice makes a man perfect. Another quote by Kevin Kelly, which says, willingness to learn is important, but willingness to act on what you learn is critical. Skills like swimming, music, and driving can be developed by regular practice. Same applies to the online skills or computer skills. One thing we must realize, these online skills that we have learned in the past few days can be personalized only by practice. If we are serious about our life and our profession, we will definitely do it. It will definitely enhance our communication and quality of work. Some of us may find it difficult to master these skills, but we should not be ignorant of these technological developments. We should at least have the knowledge of these online tools or skills. Apart from learning the online skills, I myself was part of this course, and I have also realized that these online tools promote certain values for life. Values that are very crucial in our workplace. It promotes teamwork. It gives us a platform to put our ideas together. It makes us plan our time. Online tools are very convenient. Finally, it brings out the best results. I place on record the efforts of Mr. Nasir Ali in instilling an interest for learning new skills. We wish and pray that many more teachers may benefit from his inputs. On behalf of the management of SJPUC, the staff, and all the participants, I express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Nasir Ali. As a sign of gratitude, let us all raise our hands on Zoom to Mr. Nasir Ali and say thank you. Thank you, Mr. Nasir Ali, for your valuable and very resourceful sessions. We also wish you a fruitful holy month of Ramzan. Very soon you will be celebrating Ramzan, and you are in the holy month, and we also ask you to pray for all of us. We thank Father Brian Pereira SJ, our rector, who permitted us to conduct this online workshop and rendered total support. We thank him for his encouragement. I also express my sincere gratitude to Father Wilson Bennis, the animator of student program, for his valuable suggestions and for being a pillar of support. Mrs. Renuka Zachariah, the vice principal who coordinated the FTP, she functioned as a troubleshooter. She was very prompt in her duty. She was constantly planning and communicating the information to the participants. She was ever available to clarify our doubts, facilitated smooth running of this workshop. Thank you, Ms. Renuka, for giving your valuable time and for coordinating this event. Thank you, Mr. Sudarshan, for presenting the brief report of the workshop. Finally, I would like to thank the enthusiastic learners, all the participants from all over India. We never expected such a big number would turn up for the program. It went beyond our expectations. Hence, we had to divide you into 2 batches. I think as Mr. Sudarshan said, in the morning batch, we had 344 registrations, and afternoon we had 282 participants, 626 in total. Majority of you were regular and seriously engaged in learning, faithfully submitted the assignments. A few days back, Mr. Nasir Ali pointed out, you are a very enthusiastic learners. I think you have realized the value of being effective communicators. It is not enough to be knowledgeable teachers. We need to be also effective communicators. Everything that we teach in the classroom should be understood by every student. I think some of the tools that we have learned during this FTP will enable us to be effective communicators. Thank you all for being enthusiastic learners. You have faithfully and successfully completed the workshop. Thank you for your active participation. Be enthusiastic always to learn new skills so as to become smart in your communication and teaching so that you do justice to your profession. Thanks to my team, the team SJPUC, for the valuable suggestions and for all the support that they have rendered. Once again, thank you one and all. Hope to see you again in person or online. Stay safe. All the best for the coming academic year. God bless us all. Over to Mr. Nasir Ali.
Okay. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Renuka ma'am. Thank you, Sudarshan sir, and thank you all the participants who expressed their feedback both in chat box and by coming online. And I have got too much good words, and it would definitely make me more responsible in my future attempts. When you and I know that you are having expectations, some expectation from me, and I'll try to meet your expectations in the forthcoming programs of this kind. And you know, I would like to highlight Renuka ma'am's efforts in organizing this program and the supports given by Father Melvin Lobo and their team for organizing this program to her. You know, from the day one when we planned this session onwards, I feel that she would not have got proper sleep, because every time we were getting calls, messages, queries, etc. And even at a time we tried to stop the registration, though we never expected this much participant. Even we couldn't do that because of the continuous request from the participants. Then it is because of Father Melvin Lobo's support and Renuka ma'am's timely efforts, we could extend the session to an afternoon batch too. And what my belief is that though I had not given you the experiences on the very advanced tools in teaching and learning, we started from the very beginners tools, like but though it is for beginners, it would be having high use in our teaching and learning processes. If I have succeeded in giving you those experiences and confidence in using those tools, definitely I hope you will be able to go to advanced tools by your own efforts, or even by an MKO that is more knowledgeable other. So thank you very much for actively participating in all the session. I have been there attending many other programs also during this lockdown when I get free time. But I have never felt that participants are there from starting to the end of all the sessions. Very few were remaining in each session. But here, what makes me and the organizers very much happy is that those who entered into the session were remaining till the end of the session. About 300 people were always there actively participating, and almost all the participants who were actively participating in the live sessions were also faithfully submitting their assignments also. That is a great thing, and we had never made it a compulsory thing to submit the assignments and all. We never mentioned it also, but even people were asking very curiously when I make a bit delay in posting the assignment, where is today's assignment? So you see, that is the enthusiasm from the teachers. And I would like to address you all the teachers are smart teachers hereafter, and I hope you would be serving what you have learned here to your students and to your colleagues. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for participating the program, being attentive in all the session, being faithful in submitting the session, and being engaged in giving your feedbacks and all. Thank you very much. And now we will be moving to the achievement test, and I'll give you